Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mehrun Lucky, CEO of Techtribune. I have been working as an academic in the IT sector for more than 12 years, and I have contributed to international projects with entities like the European Union, IBM, and government authorities. With my knowledge of real-world context, I'm starting a new series of talks about digital marketing. I will provide insightful information and you can learn easily by watching our videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Let's start with a talk about digital marketing in the modern era, intending to cover the basic definition of digital marketing, why digital marketing is needed, new trends of digital marketing in 2024, and what strategies to follow to elevate your success. When we talk about digital marketing, the first question comes into mind, what is digital marketing? In our daily lives, we use different digital channels such as Google search engines, websites, social media, email, and mobile apps. In digital marketing, these channels are used to deliver advertisement of different products or services. In this way, it facilitates businesses in engaging with their target audiences across appropriate platforms at the right place and at the right time. Before learning about digital marketing, we need to understand why digital marketing is needed. Firstly, a wide range of targeted audiences can be reached through different digital channels. Secondly, it's more cost-effective than traditional marketing, as you don't need to go door-to-door for your advertisement. Thirdly, it provides measurable and trackable results. For example, you can use Google Analytics to observe how your advertisement is reaching your audiences. Finally, it facilitates personalization and targeting capabilities, where personalization means using data to customize content and ads based on user preferences, boosting engagement, loyalty, and conversion. And targeting capabilities indicates identifying and reaching out to specific audience segments or personas that are most likely to be interested in a product or service. As AI is transforming how digital marketing works, new trends are knocking at the door to proceed in 2024. So, what are the digital marketing trends in 2024? First one is posting related content to attract target audiences. The second one is making website content easy to find for people who are using voice assistants, providing as much interactive video as possible about their products or services, incorporating chatbots to provide quick and convenient assistance to users, using AI tools to create rich content, leveraging social media as a robust digital marketing platform, sending or posting brand information by marketing automation tools. At this point, we have to understand what we should do to survive in 2024 in the modern digital marketing era. So, what are the strategies to follow? We can follow 6 strategies. First of all, focus on return on investment, result, and business growth. The second one is showcase of successful digital business transformation. The third one is use AI tools for creating quality content, but you have to use the human interpretation. The number 4 is create personal branding through social proofing. Social proofing can be achieved by getting good recommendations from the users. And good recommendations can be achieved by providing good service. Number 5 is performance analytics through analysis of strategies and results. You have to list out the strategies that are working for you. For example, if you work 20%, the result should be 80%. So you have to understand how your strategies are working. Is it well or not? And the final one, which is number 6, is use social media to promote the brand using automation tools. In the upcoming video, we'll cover basic segments of digital marketing, describing specific channels and purposes. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.